Hi everyone, this is Artsy. So last week I went on a tour of the Montego Bay Marine Park, and today I just wanted to share with you a few things that happened on that day. Today is just a laid back video of the highlights of my day, so I hope you enjoy. Hi! So the first tour that I did was the glass bottom boat tour. The best time of day is between 9:30 a.m. to noon. That's when the water is really clear and you can get to see the corals, seagrass, and the fish. The view was just gorgeous and made me fall in love with Montego Bay and the sea all over again. Just breathtaking. And let me tell you, no matter how beautiful it looks on the camera, it cannot compare to how it looks in real life. We spent a good time out there and I got to drive the boat on our way back to the park office located at Pier One. The Montego Bay Marine Park is sponsoring this portion of the video. If you want to get your own personal tour, you can book with the Montego Bay Marine Park at 876-952-5619. So of course, when you're on the tour, you're going to be able to see all the developments, all the businesses located on the coastline. That's why on next Sunday's episode of Learn With Me, I'm going to focus on some developments taking place along the coastline. I'm going to show you what they look like from this side, this perspective. All right, so I came back to the office to wait for the evening tour that takes you out to Bogue Lagoons, Bird Island, and to see the sunset over the sea. But I was so hungry, I needed to feed my belly. Of course, the Marine Park's office is at Pier One, so I went to Pier One restaurant to get something to eat. Alright, so this is what I'm getting. The clubhouse wrap, $12. Without the ham, because I don't want any ham. Now, by the time the food came, my phone needed to be charged, and if you didn't know, I actually record my videos on my phone, so I had to take the food to go so that I could charge my phone at the Marine Park office. I had to take it to go. I had to change because I need to go. Then I totally forgot to grab a shot of the food on the plate before boxing it up. That's why you're not in a hurry. By the time I finished eating, it was time for the evening tour. And we're leaving out now for the sunset tour. Bird Island.
That's right.
Yes.
We're headed to the Bogue Lagoons to go look at
Lava.
lagoons.
So then we went on the evening tour to see the sunset, to go out to Bogue Lagoons and see Bird Island. Now this was just nice and relaxing. For the evening tour, it was nice and cool, but still beautiful, just in a different way. As usual, you are able to see whatever hotel or business is on the coastline. So we got to see the houseboat. You know the houseboat restaurant? Yeah, so we saw that from a different vantage point. No, under the houseboat, I'm talking about. I'm talking about the Treasure Queen. But Treasure Queen don't look that big either.
At 3 stories.
Spend your 2 weeks salary here. Maybe 6 months salary. So this is a houseboat. And we were even able to see underneath the sea. So we saw some corals, saw seagrass as well, and some fish. I saw sea urchin and stingray, and someone saw a starfish.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Sorry. Whoa. Are you guys seeing it?
You love it here.
Oh my god. Alright, so that's one look through the camera.
Look how clear that is this
Not
time
true.
of evening. Could almost swim now.
Oh, look there. Whoa.
What did you see?
It's fish.
And that's coral. That's,
And then the car. Oh, look at
that's stingray.
stingray, yes. It just went that way. What if a white one? Oh, look at
Seagrass bed as we did.
Look at the coral. You see the purple coral? Pretty. Sorry.
So we're entering the Pogue Lagoon now. This is secret society. So we're entering Pogue Lagoon, which is the first protected area in Jamaica.
Okay, Rhapsody.
This is the road you drive.
Oh, so this is the Nick girl.
We attract the female. Sorry, you see the red puff?
We do that too.
We do that. Now they puff up the bank account. That's all.
Same thing.
We show up nobody. You see them? Straight ahead. So the bigger the puff is, the more attractive they are. They also have a song too, but I've never heard them doing the song. I really don't really mean thing. When we go around the other side, you will see the roots dropping from the limbs. That's how
Oh, look at that big one. Sorry.
2. You heard? Well, like looking structures, those are the, what they call the propagules are the seeds. So then drop off and float and find from us.
Yeah.
It's the dad jokes. The dad jokes.
By the way, you can smell the
It's fertilizer.
The Montego Bay Marine Park has a number of tour packages, each of which is customizable, meaning you can bring your own food and drinks. And for additional entertainment, you can bring any music of your choice, request a drum session, or even go swimming. So whatever you like. Of course, their number is in the description box if you want to get in touch with them to schedule a trip.